Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5, and in this video I will show you what to do in case your fast charging cable doesn't work with your smartphone. First of all, check the charging cable and the AC adapter or the charging block for compatibility with your smartphone, and if you are sure that they are compatible, then grab your phone and check your charging cable port. Check if it doesn't have anything stuck inside it, and using non-metallic brush, try to clean the charging port of your device. If it still doesn't help, then go to settings and make sure that the fast charging is enabled on your smartphone. To do that, open settings, go to battery, charging settings, and make sure that this option is enabled. Now, if this still doesn't help you, then test another fast charging device, a fast charging cable, and fast charging block, AC adapter with your smartphone, and also make sure that your device's system is up to date. To do that, go to System and Update, Software Update, and check if you have any updates to install. And if you do, then take your time and install them. And otherwise, I suggest that you reach out to OnePlus customer support service and tell them about your issue and see if they can help you with your problem. And for this video, I hope that it helped you. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.